Hello, everybody. It's been a very long time since you've heard from me again. Today, I am here. I am here. It just happened that I've been a bit busy of late. So today, I'm taking you to the yard where you can get your money-making machines. So today, we are not talking about normal cars, but we are talking about these trucks, tractors, and then the money-making machines. They are here. Plenty. Somebody actually requested for this, and then I had the opportunity to shoot this video, and then I have brought it to you and that very person. So as you can see, I really don't know much about them because I've never bought some from there before, but for the look of the things, it seems like they are really old. These are old trucks, so I don't know how it goes. In case you see something here and you're interested, just follow me back, and then let's start chatting whichever way we should go, so that you also go for something like this and start making money with it. We see the way forward. I really don't know how the duty will be for this. I don't know if they have a special duty, but these are cars from the port, home use cars from the Togo ports. The money making machines. You have the Benz, the MAN, plenty. The brand, I can't even mention them, but when it comes to the small cars, I'll be able to mention that. You can see Volvo is also part of them over here. So all these machines, I have other videos about them, so I'll post them. I'll post the other videos that I have, so that you can surely get what you want from this. So in case you need these machines, this is a place where you can also this boy a smart boy that very day. So this is the place where you can get those machines. So just link up, and then let's talk business. Let's go and buy a truck. Okay, ciao.